Are you a new mom expecting soon or simply curious about breastfeeding? You have heard it's natural, but did you know it can protect your baby from diseases, help you lose weight, and even reduce your risk of cancer? Yes, breastfeeding is a life changing superpower for both you and your baby. In this video, we will reveal 15 powerful science backed benefits of breastfeeding every mother should know. Stick around till the end because some of these might surprise you. Let's begin with something powerful. Breastfeeding is a superpower. Why do we say that? Because it's not just about feeding a baby, it's about building immunity, strengthening the emotional bond, and even protecting the mother's health. Breastfeeding helps the baby grow stronger, smarter, and safer. And at the same time, it helps mother heal faster, reduce disease risks, and even lose weight naturally. It's a beautiful, natural process packed with medical, emotional, and long term health benefits. In this video, we will explore 15 science backed reasons why breastfeeding is one of the most important gifts a mother can give to her baby and to herself. So, whether you are a first time mom, expecting, or supporting someone else, this information will empower you with facts and confidence. Nutrition like no other. Breast milk is nature's perfect food. It's the only source that provides exactly the right balance of nutrients, healthy fats, proteins, carbs, and antibodies, all specially designed for baby's developing body. No formula, no matter how advanced, can full copy what breast milk offers. It changes as your body grows, adapting to their needs in real time. For example, in the early days, the thick yellow milk called colostrum is packed with immune boosting antibodies. As the weeks go by, breast milk becomes richer in fats and calories to help your baby gain weight and develop a healthy brain. It's not just food, it's the smartest, most personalized nutrition system ever created. Builds immunity from day one. The very first milk your body produces after childbirth is called colostrum, and it's often referred to as baby's first vaccine. Why? Because colostrum is thick, golden colored, and extremely rich in antibodies, especially immunoglobulin A, which protect your baby's eye, throat, lungs, and digestive system. It acts like a shield, giving your newborn immediate protection against harmful bacteria and viruses. This early immunity is crucial because a baby's immune system is still very weak during the first few weeks of life. Even just a few drops of colostrum can provide powerful life saving protection. So, when a mother breastfeeds right after the birth, she is not just feeding her baby, she is vaccinating them naturally. Reduces sudden infant death syndrome. One of the most feared risks for new parents is sudden infant death syndrome or SIDS. It refers to the unexplained death of a healthy baby, usually during sleep, in the first year of life. But here's the important news. Breastfeeding has been proven to reduce the risk of SIDS by up to 50% or more. Why? Because breastfeed babies tend to have stronger immune systems, better respiratory health, and are more easily aroused from sleep, which may help prevent dangerous breathing pauses during the night. Even partial breastfeeding, just a few weeks or months, can provide protective benefits. So, by choosing to breastfeed, you are not only nourishing your baby, you may be literally saving their life. Healthy weight and brain development. Did you know that breastfeeding can support both your baby's body and brain development? Breastfed babies are less likely to become overweight or obese later in life. That's because breast milk teaches babies to eat until they are full, not overeat. It naturally regulates appetite and digestion. But that's not all. Studies show that breastfeed babies may also score higher on IQ tests as they grow older. Why? Because breast milk contains essential fatty acids like DHA, which are crucial for brain development. especially in the first 2 years of life. So, by breastfeeding, you are helping your baby build a healthy body and sharp mind from the very beginning. Deep emotional bond. Breastfeeding is more than nutrition. It's a powerful way to build emotional security. When a mother holds her baby close during breastfeeding, something magical happens. The baby feels warmth, safety, and love through skin to skin contact. At the same time, the mother's body releases oxytocin, known as love hormone. This hormone helps create a strong emotional bond, builds trust, and reduces stress in both mother and baby. Over time, this closeness supports baby's emotional development, helps regulate their heartbeat, breathing, and even improves sleep quality. So remember, breastfeeding isn't just about feeding a baby, it's about nurturing a heart and mind. Faster postpartum recovery. After childbirth, a mother's body begins the healing process, and breastfeeding plays a powerful role in that recovery. When you breastfeed, your body releases a hormone called oxytocin, the same one that helps you bond with your baby. But oxytocin does something else too. It causes the uterus to contract, helping it return to its normal size more quickly. These contractions also help reduce postpartum bleeding, which is a natural but sometimes heavy loss of blood after recovery. In short, breastfeeding speeds up healing, lower the risk of complication, and helps your body bounce back faster. It's like your body's natural way of pressing the reset button while you nourish your baby at the same time. Reduces risk of breast and ovarian cancer. Here's something every mother should know. Breastfeeding doesn't just benefit the baby, it also protects your life. Multiple studies have shown that women who breastfeed have a low risk of developing breast cancer and ovarian cancer in later life. Why does this happen? Because breastfeeding reduces the number of menstrual cycles a woman has in her lifetime, which means less exposure to estrogen, a hormone linked to cancer growth. Also, the process of making and releasing breast milk helps keep breast cells healthy and less likely to become cancerous. It's like natural, built-in protection plan created by your own body. The longer a woman breastfeeds, the greater the protection. So, in caring for your child, you are also quietly protecting your own future. Strengthens bones. Many people think breastfeeding only affects the baby, but it also strengthens the mother's bones in the long run. During breastfeeding, your body becomes more efficient at absorbing calcium from the food you eat. This calcium is used to support both your own needs and your baby's bone development. Even though you may lose some bone density during breastfeeding, research shows that it rebuilds and becomes even stronger after weaning. In fact, women who breastfeed have a low risk of osteoporosis and fewer hip fractures later in life. So, breastfeeding isn't just supporting your baby's bone, it's helping protect your own skeleton for years to come. Helps with weight loss. Trying to lose that pregnancy weight, breastfeeding can actually help you do just that naturally and safely. When you nurse your baby, your body uses extra energy to produce milk, burning up to 500 or more calories a day, even while you are sitting down. This boost in metabolism helps many mothers to return to their pre pregnancy weight faster. And the best part, you are not doing extreme workouts or dieting. You are simply nourishing your baby. Every feed is like a gentle calorie burning session built into your daily routine. So while you care for your baby, your body is also caring for you, helping you recover and slim down at the same time. Natural birth spacing. Breastfeeding does more than feed and protect your baby. It also gives your body a natural way to space pregnancies. When a mother exclusively breastfeeds, meaning no formula, no solids, and feeds day and night, It naturally suppresses ovulation. This process is known as LAM. It's your body way of saying, let's focus on one baby at a time. LEM can be up to 98% effective as a natural birth control method in the first 6 months after delivery, as long as your period hasn't returned. It's a powerful, hormone free way to support healthy birth spacing, giving your body time to reset, heal, and prepare if and when you are ready to another baby. Improves psychological well being. The early days of motherhood can be overwhelming physically, emotionally, and mentally. But did you know that breastfeeding can actually help protect your mental health? When you breastfeed, your body naturally releases a hormone called oxytocin, often called the feel good hormone. Oxytocin promotes relaxation, lower stress levels, and creates feelings of love and bonding. This hormone boost can help reduce the risk of postpartum depression and even help mothers feel more emotionally connected to their baby. Lower risk of UTI and anemia. Breastfeeding does more than support emotional and physical recovery. It also protects a mother's internal health, including the urinary tract and blood system. Mothers who breastfeed have been shown to experience fewer urinary tract infections or UTIs. That's because hormonal changes during breastfeeding help balance the body's bacteria and support urinary health. In addition, breastfeeding can reduce the risk of postpartum anemia, a condition caused by low iron level after birth. How? Because it encourages faster recovery, reduces blood loss, and helps the body absorb nutrients more efficiently. Supports heart health. Breastfeeding doesn't just support short term recovery, it also protects your heart from the long run. Research shows that mothers who breastfeed have a low risk of high blood pressure, heart attacks, and cardiovascular diseases later in life. Why does this happen? Because breastfeeding helps regulate blood pressure, improves cholesterol levels, and reduces inflammation in the body. All key factors in heart health. In fact, the longer a mother breastfeeds, the greater the protection. It's incredible to think that something so natural and nurturing can have such a powerful effect on your future heart health. Endorsed by WHO and UNICEF, breastfeeding isn't just a personal choice, it's global health recommendation. Leading health organizations like World Health Organization and UNICEF strongly recommend exclusive breastfeeding for the first 6 months of life. This means no formula, no water, no solids, just breast milk. Why? Because this period is critical for baby's immune system, brain development, and physical growth. After 6 months, they recommend continuing breastfeed alongside nutritious food up to 2 years or more. This guidance is backed by years of research and real world results from millions of families around the world. Following these recommendations gives your child the best possible start, naturally, safely, and lovingly. Breastfeeding is a gift to you too. We often hear how breastfeeding benefits the baby, but the truth is, it's gift to you too. It helps you heal faster, feel emotionally connected, and lower your risk of serious health issues later in life. Every drop of breast milk nourishes your child, and every moment you share strengthens your own body, your mind, and your bond. Breastfeeding isn't just a duty or a routine, it's a powerful, loving act that brings lifelong reward. So remember this, when you breastfeed, you are not just raising a healthy baby, you are also building a stronger, healthier you are. Breastfeeding is more than nutrition, it's a gift of love, health, and protection. Every drop counts, and every mom deserves support. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs to see this, and don't forget to subscribe for more real health and parenting guidance. You are not just feeding a baby, you are building a future.